running that thing they're running, and like all the more fresher, organic type.
Meatless one is back again.
Yeah, I'd like to try that. We have to have it. Which I didn't mind when I was in the picture. I thought it was a little more that than yeah.